Hi there, I am Ravi Singh. Today I am here to tell you is the relationship in object oriented programming basically. So first I zoom it, then you say that. Uh, is the relationship? What is the relationship? Is the relationship nothing but inheritance? Is called as inheritance only. Okay. Hmm. So how we can implement this inheritance is a relationship basically. We can implement is a relationship nothing but inheritance only is a relationship by using inheritance by using which keyword we can implement is a relationship. We can implement is a relationship by using extends keyword which are given by Java to implement the inheritance concept. Basically, what is the advantage of this is a relationship? By using that, we get a code reusability. So how we get code reusability? Think, see this example first. I have a class name as vehicle. So I take vehicle example. Okay. So what vehicle have? Any vehicle. In any vehicle we have an engine. So I take one engine variable. Okay. Uh, AC, anything you want. Some functions, void, void, right? Hmm, void start engine, like that. Okay, there are some functions inside this vehicle class. So I wanted to made a class car. I want to made a class car, class module I want to made. So as we see vehicle class, so vehicle class have all the property which are also want in a car class. So why we write this engine, wait a minute, engine, AC, start engine, this function another time, because it's we can write once. Why we cannot use that common methods and data members and member function inside the another class without writing? So we can use extends keyword to get all the property of vehicle class into a car class. So by using that, we not have to write this all function like engine, AC, start engine, which are required for car. We can directly inherit by using vehicle class. Okay, okay, so we directly inherit them. So we not have to write by using extend. So all the method which are available in a parent class nothing but vehicle class, is by default available to the car class. So what I have to write? See, what is inheritance? Nothing but whatever the method hmm, whatever the method, whatever the code available to parent class is by default child class. Okay, so we not have to write this code because it uh, decreases the code reusability. It also take cost of the project also become uh, very bad because we have to write we have to repeatedly write this whole thing. So basically data redundancy become high. Same data we have to write all the time. So by using inheritance, whatever the common method which are applicable for all the child class, we can write in a vehicle class, and we can extend by using a is the relationship nothing but a inheritance. Okay, so let's move forward. So so I have take another example to explain. Please wait a minute. So I take part 2 for another continuation. You can see that. So okay,